Okay, guys, football season is here, and these roasted garlic Parmesan wings will be great for any game day. All right, guys, welcome back to 40th Vibes Eats. As you know, football season has started back, so you know we gotta have some game day food going on. So today we are making some garlic Parmesan wings. Let's get into it. Okay, guys, so for the ingredients, I have some black pepper, salt, smoked paprika, garlic and onion powder, some cayenne pepper, cornstarch, red pepper flakes, some parsley. We have 2 pounds of chicken drumlets and some shredded Parmesan cheese. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna start off with 2 pounds of chicken drumlets that I've already cut up. And we're gonna season these things to perfection. The first thing I'm gonna add to this is black pepper, some smoked paprika, some salt, some onion and garlic powder, some cayenne pepper. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna give it a good mix. And guys, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you really give this chicken a good mix. That way you can coat the chicken evenly with the seasoning. Try to get every piece coated with the seasoning as much as possible. Okay, guys, now that I have my seasoning incorporated into this chicken, evenly coated, I'm going to apply 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. The cornstarch is going to make the chicken extra crispy and delicious. One thing I forgot to mention is that you need to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. And as always, the ingredients to this recipe is going to be in the description box. Like always, we want to give it a good mix. Okay, guys, so now that I have the chicken coated with the cornstarch, I'm going to give my pan a little spray with this little nifty spray bottle, oil spray bottle that my baby got for me from Temu, right? Yeah, Temu. And it comes in handy, right? So I'm going to spray my pan, spray my rack with some olive oil. That way the chicken won't stick to the rack. I like this. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add our chicken to the pan. And you wanna make sure that you leave some space between the chicken. That way they can cook nice and evenly. If you crowd the chicken, it's gonna become some parts of it gonna become mushy and you don't want that. And guys, like I said before, the ingredients to this recipe is in the description box. So give that a look for any questions. Now that we have the chicken on the pan, we're gonna put it in the preheated oven at 400 degrees. We're gonna cook it for about 40 minutes, but I'm gonna flip it every 10 minutes. That way the chicken can cook evenly on each side. All right, guys, so after 20 minutes, this is what the chicken is looking like. Now remember, I flip the chicken every 10 minutes. This is going to be a 40-minute process. Okay, so right now I'm going to flip my chicken again. And as you can see, it's already starting to get some good coloration. Y'all like my little Pac-Man mitt? Anyway, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put it back in the oven for another 20 minutes, flipping every 10 minutes. Okay, guys, so now that my chicken is halfway done, I'm going to start making a Parmesan cheese sauce for these wings. Garlic. In fact, let me emphasize the garlic. It's going to be roasted garlic Parmesan cheese sauce. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a stick of butter in a bowl, and I'm going to microwave it for about 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, guys, now that my butter is melted, should look like this. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my all-purpose seasoning to it, which for mine is going to be Italian seasoning, garlic and onion powder. Next, I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of parsley. Then I'm going to add a teaspoon of Red Pepper Flakes. After that, I'm going to add about 1/2 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. Okay, I'm going to give that a mix. Okay guys, this is the texture that you want for your sauce mixture. And I'm also going to add some roasted garlic to my mixture. Give it a mix. Alright guys, so as you can see, my chicken is finished cooking. A beautiful color, and I know they're well seasoned. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add the chicken to my Parmesan chicken mixture. Okay guys, so now that I have it inside the pan, I'm going to go ahead and give it a good mix. It's a little hot. Make sure everything's incorporated. Okay guys, after everything is mixed up, this is what we have. It's looking delicious and it smells delicious. Right now, if it's to plate this up and get ready to taste it, I already know it's going to be good. Next, I'm going to add just a little bit of that Parmesan cheese. Some more parsley. And I'm going to add a little bit of lime zest. Alright guys, now it is time for the taste test. Let's get to it. Okay guys, I'm not even gonna front. You guys probably think I always think that my food is hitting on all 10s. The flavor from these wings are hitting on all 10, like I always say. The lime zest just take these wings to a whole different level. If you like the wing vibe that we did today, please like, share, and comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Other than that, these game day wings is going to be a hit in your household. See you next video.